What are you doing today?
Hi everybody. I am making a recipe I found online, and John's going to be my taste tester. We're making fried pecan pies. It's a delicious recipe where you're taking pie crust and making little individual pecan pies. I thought this would be a great Thanksgiving idea for your family. So let's get in, well, we're already here in the kitchen. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we're here in the kitchen. I'm going to post this recipe where I found it at in the description below. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, and I hope y'all enjoy this. Now, the recipe also gives you an alternative for your air fryer and your baking, but we're going to do it in a deep fryer. I enjoy using this. I think they come out better. So again, the list of the ingredients and the whole recipe will be down in my description box below. And then get that over there.
Taste tester my butt, I'm helping her too.
So what?
I said taste tester my butt, I'm helping her too, y'all.
You said you'd be my taste tester too, sweetheart. You're gonna get the best looking, good looking taste tester there is. What they say about you?
Eyes up here, yeah, I've got my shorts on. I don't want y'all staring at my legs.
Okay, I'm gonna call it your shorts. It is your shorts.
Yeah, we got some oil in the fryer. Now she's working on the sauce. I'll bring y'all back when we get that done. What are you doing now?
So.
Tell them what you're doing, because they're watching you.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So we're going to melt our butter, brown sugar, corn syrup, eggs, and some salt. Okay. We're gonna bring this up to a boil over medium heat and reduce the heat to simmer, and then we're gonna stir in the pecans, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 6 minutes. So let's get going on this. I gotta get the eggs. If it's two large eggs, we do one, correct?
Right. How much Cairo syrup?
It says a half a cup in this recipe for the big batch.
So a quarter cup.
Yes. We should also tell them we're only making 12.
Yeah, we're only making 12.
The recipe calls for 24. Make it at your discretion on how much you want to make. We're only making half.
We're adding a quarter cup of Cairo. Light Cairo.
And we're going to add the salt too.
How much salt you know?
It says quarter teaspoon.
I'll show you that later.
Okay.
Get up in front of the camera. Stand right there, because you're blocking the light. That's all.
I am. Okay.
Alright, we got the Cairo in there. I want to show you. I don't need nothing. Salt. How much you said?
It says a quarter, 1/4
A teaspoon or tablespoon?
teaspoon, but that's with the full batch.
That's about right. That's about half of that.
And we'll let oil. Now, while you're doing this, you can also get your surface ready. It does say flour it down, you know, to keep it from sticking. So I got a little bit of flour here.
she's talking to y'all, I'm gonna be stirring.
He's such a good looking stirrer. Don't y'all agree? I'm using parchment paper just to help with the cleanup. Parchment paper is always good. Silly man. I got a weapon to hit you with. Now the recipe, if you when you read it, it calls for 2 of these. I'm using one, and I'm using a plastic cutter. But I'm just getting this ready, and I'm gonna pull my rings off so I don't get gunk in my hands. I have been talking about this recipe, I don't know how long, and I'm like, we're just gonna make it. Great for Thanksgiving, great for football games too. Even with Roll Tide. Yes, the Aggie said it, Roll Tide. Y'all note today is Sunday. I'm not wearing any Broncos, we're going down. Okay. Now one did just tear, but I'm not worried about that. I know how to make a lot of things from scratch, but I haven't really made anything from scratch in a while.
Rolling out the cockroach now.
Yes. Thinning it out just a little bit more. I got such a good helper. Yeah. We live and we learn. Oh, I didn't overdo this. Huh?
You did, and it'd be good.
That's
How
how
how much pecans do you know? You can't get them measured up. That bowl.
Two, dude. The original recipe calls for 2 cups, so we're going to do 1 cup.
1 cup.
Yep.
This recipe is going to be 1 cup of pecans. We're going to get them ready with almost to a boil.
Okay, they're slippery.
When do we put the vanilla in?
Oh.
Right now, right?
I would think so, but it... Hold on. I'm sure cornstarch, bring over, boil, center, remove from heat. Stir in, oh, no, well, yeah. Simmer for about, okay, you simmer and stir in the pecans, and then you simmer for about 6 minutes and remove the heat, and then the vanilla.
Okay. Get the pecans ready, but we're boiling.
That's all kind of open.
Cut, right?
Yes. So the original recipe calls for 2. And we're just using a Walmart brand.
That's cut.
Right there.
Stir them in, remove the heat.
Yeah.
Cut the heat. And then you bring them back to a boil, right?
Mm-hmm. And then you add in the vanilla. Let me have this. You should post this on your YouTube channel too. You know that?
Oh. Oh, that's probably too much. It's going to be vanilla, yo.
Yeah, it says bring to a boil over medium heat, reduce heat to simmer, stir in the pecans, simmer for 6 minutes, and then remove from heat, stir in the vanilla. And then bring the crust to room temperature.
Oh, well, we did the vanilla wrong. You put the vanilla in later.
Okay, and then we get started. Where's my cutout thing?
Now I got it simmering.
Now, normally I would use like a mason jar kind of lid, with a circle in it, but this is all his mom had, but this will definitely work. And you're going to make little, kind of like empanadas?
Empanadas.
Empanada. I can't say it, but y'all know what I mean. Okay. I prefer the one with the hole in it. God forgive me for saying that. It just sounded wrong. You know what I'm talking about? The one with the hole in it.
How big do you want them? That's the question.
Enough to make a. It said I think 1 inch. Yeah. Said using a 4-inch circle cutter is what it said.
A 4-inch? Well, that's right, man.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to use that one?
Yeah, that's closer to 4 inches.
Okay.
You shouldn't have done it with my
You know, I wonder if I'm going to need the other pie crust.
Well, I hope not.
I hope not either. It's in the freezer. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to press into this. As if you're cutting out cookies. It should look like something like that.
That looks good, though.
Yeah.
And this smells good. I wish y'all had smell vision. Oh, y'all being...
Okay, and you might want to, like, remove from heat and stir in the vanilla. So that's why it's, I hope you got the heat off of there because they're going to be...
No, I already put them... I did it backwards, but it'll be okay.
Oh, that's fine.
They're supposed to simmer for 6 minutes.
Yeah.
And I'm watching the clock. We got about 3 more minutes.
I'm getting a fork so I can fork it. Should I get out that other pie crust?
No. Just keep using that one. You don't have that much, look like. That's not that much filling. And that's one whole one right there you've already made.
Does it really smell good?
It smells good.
Oh my gosh. It smells like when you walk into Bass Pro and they got those things.
Yeah, it smells good.
Again, I got such a great helper.
And filmer. How y'all doing, baby?